Hey folks, Walking Writer here. It's May 18th, 2021, and despite your age, it's never too late in life to try new things. I just turned 58 a couple months ago, and despite that, I'm going to college to check out an awesome nature trail. What'd you think I was talking about? This way to the start of the nature trail. As you can see from the map legends, there are various trails. There's the interpretive nature trail, which I'll probably follow to start, and then there's outer loop, inner loop, border loop. I walked this maybe 15-20 years ago. I'm sure it was a lot different then. I don't really remember, but we'll check it out. Alright, so I just put on a little bug spray, so I'm all set. Let's go. Okay, you know the rules, so let's get going. We'll follow the number trail system to start. I don't know how long this will take, I can't remember. And they have some information of, oh, here's number 3. I guess we missed number 1 and 2 already. Eastern Hemlock. So I guess they give you information as you go along. And we're coming along to a nice footbridge. Man, this is a beautiful day. Breezy, probably mid-70s when you're in the sunshine. Number 4, Fern Bridge. Yeah, the water's not flowing too fast these days. We had a lot of rain several days ago, but we could use some more. Some monkey vines here. I don't know what they're really called. That's what we called them when we were little. I'd go in the woods behind my neighbor's house and swing on the vines. I don't know if kids do that nowadays. There, we're coming up to another footbridge and a little bench in case you get tired. The trail hasn't been too long right now. This is pretty easy. It's a flat trail, 99% of it. They said there were markers for the outer trails or the inner trails. I don't see any other markers. Of course, I'm colorblind. They may have been there and I might have missed them. But I'm just sticking to the main trail. I don't see where the other offshoots are. Maybe it's easier in wintertime if you use them for ski trails. White ash and black cherry. Now the question is, did that make a sound when it fell down? Okay, we found a sign for another trail. One of the offshoots. That's the inner loop, and the path is down there, very leafy. It's not as well defined as the main trail, but we found one of them. And this is our trail right now we're following. Goes down that way. Another stream view, but not much water flowing through. Now this little placard says red maple, but the trees around it don't look like red maple, so I'm wondering if some of the other trees I gave as examples were what the sign said. Well, I haven't seen any wildlife on the trail today. You can hear the birds. I take that back. I saw a dog and 2 other people, but no deer, no bear, no Bigfoot. Speaking of wildlife, we're at Skunk Bridge. I hope that's just a cute name. Well, we're near post number 30. I think there are 36 posts, 38, something like that. But right over here, look what I discovered. The outer loop. That takes you down here. This area is more grassy, so it looks a little more defined than the other inner loop. But we're going this way and continuing on the main trail. At this little fork in the road right here, go right. That'll continue over there to post number 31. We're at the Dragonfly Wind Shelter. I'm assuming the trail goes this way. I see the college campus over there, Civilization again. And this is post number 34. So, looks like we made it back home. Something's been busy on this stump. Woodpeckers, no doubt. And down there is the first bridge I crossed. And we made it back to the beginning. Marker number 1. That's the one I missed. Hi folks, I'm filming this part back on the trail. When I got back to the shelter, I wanted to walk the trail again and time it. I lost my pedometer at home or on another walk, so I couldn't get the mileage. But I'm walking it right now at a normal pace, and my timer stopped right now. And I'll just let you know the time when I get back. See you in a minute or two. All right, I finally saw some wildlife. There's a little snake in there. I hope I'm catching it. It's just sitting there. I don't know what kind it is. I don't hear a rattle, so it's not a rattler. But all right, I won't bother him. He doesn't want to put on a show. Okay, folks, I'm back at post number 1. Walking that trail took me 16 minutes 47 seconds, minus about 45 seconds for stopping to see that snake. But I have a longer stride and tend to walk fast, so I mean, it may take a little longer for other people. But it's a nice quick trail, so it can't be more than a mile or so. So that's the video for now. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you next time. Take care. Bye.